Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to convert multiple image into a PDF file. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Images are a great way to relieve memories and tell stories visually through art. You may want to share your images with friends, family, or coworkers, but sending multiple images over an email can be difficult since these files type are typically larger than most emails can handle. This is where combining images to PDF document can be useful. One PDF file with all images you need to share will take up less space than multiple attachments. So you can combine images into PDFs to quickly share all your important images through one file. So how to do it? It's very simple. So you can open your Chrome or Google and you can start recording in here. Convert image to PDF. Then there's so much option like I love PDF, small PDF you can choose. For the example, I will choose this one, small PDF. You can choose files, choose files. Choose your photos that you want to convert to PDF. I'll choose from my gallery. Okay, I will choose this one, and also I will choose three items, three images. Checklist. Also, here's the picture that we want to convert to PDF. If you want to spare a PDF, you can enable this feature, but because we want to make it into one file, one PDF file, you can just choose on finish. You can wait, it's loading. Now it's done, you can tap on download. So here's the result. Let's see the file. Here's the PDF file. And here's the result. You can share it through your email with your friends or family. It's very simple, right? So that is how to convert images into a PDF file. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.